Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a clean with me video. It is Friday right now. Typically I tend to clean every week, sometimes here and there, but today we have clothes scattered all around the floor, and then my little work office thing here in the corner is a complete mess. So if you like these kind of videos, stay tuned, like this video, and subscribe to my channel, and let's continue on with the rest of the video. Don't you lose sight of what you want? Okay, so we're gonna start off with my desk. It is very messy, just heads up. I had to take off my sweater because it's really hot. I don't even know why I wore the sweater. But anyways, come with me and clean my desk.